हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम कंटिन्यूशन सीरीज जो यूजीसी नेट की मल्टी चॉइस क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप्स के चैप्टर 4 के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि है स्पोर्ट साइकोलॉजी एंड स्पोर्ट सोशियोलॉजी के। तो इस वीडियो में हम 150 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ स्पोर्ट साइकोलॉजी एंड स्पोर्ट्स सोशियोलॉजी के कवर करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फिजियोलॉजिकल इंप्रूवमेंट ब्राउट अबाउट बाय साइकोलॉजिकल मैकेनिज्म इज ए प्लेसबो इफेक्ट, बी हाइपोथेसिस, सी मोटिवेशन, डी अर्गोमेट्री। राइट आंसर इज प्लेसबो इफेक्ट। Question number 2. Inborn general tendency to be anxious is an example of A. Trait anxiety, B. State anxiety, C. Conflicts, D. None of these. Right answer is B. State anxiety. Question number 3. Action performed under emotion is A. Reflex action, B. Conscious action, C. Impulsive action, D. None of these. Right answer is C. Impulsive action. Question 4. The IQ intelligence quotient becomes an inappropriate measure of intelligence when growth is A. Incomplete, B. Complete, C. Difficult to measure, D. Skill continuing. Right answer is C. Difficult to measure. Question 5. Select the correct option. A behavior where opponent is psychologically and or physically harmed but the goal is to win is called A. Hostile aggression, A. Assertive behavior, C. Instrumental aggression, D. Violent behavior. Right answer is C. Instrumental aggression. Question number 6. Pavlov has propounded A. Theory of conditioning, B. Theory of trial and error, C. Theory of learning, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Theory of learning. Question number 7. In psychological testing, norm is defined as A. Unique performance of a team, B. Record of performance, C. Highest performance of athlete, D. Average performance of the team. D is the right answer. Average performance of the team. Question number 8. Violence associated with competitive sports is mainly due to A. The very nature of the competitive sports, B. The social tensions within the society, C. The social backwardness, D. Identity of the spectators with teams on racial, religious and national considerations. Right answer is A. The very nature of the competitive sports. Question number 9. The personal factors in learning are A. Heredity factors, B. Fitness factors, C. Psychological factors, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 10. A sociogram illustrates the pattern of relationship among A. Employees in a big organization, B. Members of social groups, C. Teaching standards of institution, D. Problem faced by researcher. Right answer is B. Member of social groups. Question number 11. Which of the following is an instinct reward of sports? A. Recognition, B. Status, C. Attention, D. Self-esteem. Right answer is D. Self-esteem. Question number 12. You can lead a horse to water but you cannot make him drink is related to A. Law of effect, B. Law of use, C. Law of readiness, D. None of these. Right answer is C. Law of readiness. Question number 13. Carry over the habits and learning from one situation to another is A. Learning curve, B. Negative learning, C. Transfer learning, D. Plateau. Right answer is C. Transfer of learning. Question number 14. The rate of learning reaches a limit behind which further improvement is difficult. This stage is technically known as A. Concave convex graphs, B. Concave graph, C. Plateau, D. Convex graph. Right answer is C. Plateau. Question 15. Mental learning is also called A. Affective learning, B. Cognitive learning, C. Motor learning, D. All of the above. Right answer is B. Cognitive learning. Question number 16. Whose name is associated with the conditioned reference learning? A. John Dewey, B. Aristotle, C. Rosse, D. Pavlov. Right answer is D. Pavlov. Question number 17. The personal feedback is facilitated through A. Television, B. Tape recorder, C. Kinesthetic knowledge, or D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 18. The psychological factor of learning are A. Motivation, B. Persistence, C. Emotion, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 19. Each instinct, according to William McDougall, is said to have its corresponding A. Reflex, B. Drive, C. Tendency, D. Emotion. Right answer is B. Drive. Question number 20. Super ego is known to represent one of the following aspects of human personality. Select A. Psychological, B. Social, C. Anthropological, D. Physical. Right answer is A. Psychological. Question number 21. In which aspects of human personality men and women differ the most? A. Intellectual, B. Mental, C. Physiological, D. Social. Right answer is C. Physiological. Question number 22. In sports context, aggression must be defined as A. Violence, B. Out of control situation, C. Assertiveness, D. Hostility. Right answer is C. Assertiveness. Question number 23. school of psychology most closely related to learning theory is A. Gaslit School, B. Cognitive School, C. Behaviorist School, D. Psychoanalytical School. Right answer is C. Behaviorist School. Question number 24. Within social groups, the statistical study of behavior and relationship is known as A. Sociometrics, B. Sociodiagramming, C. Socioprogramming, D. Sociometry. Right answer is D. Sociometry. Question number 25. Which of the following statements is not correct? A. Physique is the primary dimension of human personality. B. Emotional dimension of an individual singularly determines his personality. C. Human personality loses its meaning if conceived without the mental and intellectual dimension. D. Sociability is a very important dimension of personality. Right answer is B. Emotional dimension of an individual singularly determines his personality. Question number 26. Trial and error learning is also known as A. Organized learning, B. Self-learning, C. Instinctive learning, D. Informal learning. Right answer is B. Self-learning. Question number 27. Freud originated the A. Psychoanalysis theory, B. Psychophysiological theory, C. Psychosomatic theory, D. Somometric theory. Right answer is A. Psychoanalysis theory. Question number 28. When a tennis player attempts to learn golf, it's A. Positive transfer, B. Negative transfer, C. Zero transfer, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Zero transfer. Question number 29. IQ is measured by the formula A. IQ is equal to mental age, chronicle age multiplied by 100. B. IQ, chronicle age, mental age multiplied by 100. C. IQ is equal to mental age, physiological age multiplied by 100. D. IQ is equal to physiological age, mental age multiplied by 100. Right answer is A. IQ is equal to mental age, chronicle age multiplied by 100. Question number 30. Exponent of Catholic theory of play is A. Aristotle, B. Sigmund Freud, C. Karl Kraus, D. von Schiller. Right answer is B. Sigmund Freud. Question number 31. Factors associated with the cohesion are 1. Team satisfaction, 2. Individual performance, 3. Team ranking in competition, 4. Social support. So find the correct combination. A. 1 4, B. 2 3, C. 4 3, D. 1 2. Right answer is A. 1 4. Team satisfaction and social support. Question number 32. Select the correct sequence of cognitive process. A. Perception, thinking, memorizing, sensation. B. Sensation, perception, thinking, memorizing. C. Thinking, memorizing, sensation, perception. D. Memorizing, sensation, perception thinking. Right answer is B. Sensation, perception, thinking, memorizing. Question number 33. The best method for training emotions in sports is A. Sublimation, B. Inhibition, C. Redirection, D. Suppression. Right answer is A. Sublimation. Question number 34. Kohler's theory of learning deals with A. Trial and error, B. Conditioning, C. Insightful learning, D. Transfer of learning. Right answer is C. Insightful learning. Question number 35. By which of the following means do we acquire values, beliefs and behaviors patterns? A. Recreation, B. Cultural transmissions, C. Physical activities, D. Socialization. Right answer is D. Socialization. Question number 36. Cognitive evaluation theory of motivation was propounded by A. Kohler, B. Pavlov, C. Thorndike, D. Dacey. D is the right answer, Dacey. Question number 37. The characteristics of athletic personality includes all except A. Self-confidence, B. Extroversion, C. Introversion, D. Submission. Right answer is D. Submission. Question number 38. The cognitive reason of plateau in motor learning is A. Lack of concentration, B. Change of teaching method, C. Overloading, D. Chronic injury. Right answer is lack of concentration. Question number 39. Factors responsible for pre-competitive anxiety does not include A. Increased physiological activation, B. Performance flow, C. Guilt, D. Loss of control. Right answer is C. Guilt. Question 40. Who is the author of the book Advances in Sport Psychology? A. Lances, B. T.S. Horn, C. Winberg and Gold, D. Cox. Right answer is B. T.S. Horn. Question number 41. The cognitive intervention strategy to improve performance does not include A. Autogenic training, B. Mental rehearsal, C. Self-talk, D. Imaginary training. Right answer is A. Autogenic training. Question number 42. Transfer of training is A. Learning new situation in industry, B. Learning from environment, C. Verbal learning in different kinds of situation, D. Use of R learning from the situation to a new situation. Correct answer is D. Use of R learning from the situation to a new situation. Question 43. The knowing aspects or awareness in psychology is known as A. Affection, B. Connection, C. Cognition, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Cognition. Question 44. The Eysenck Personality Inventory EPI measures the A. Introversion only, B. Extroversion only, C. Personality structure, D. Introversion and extroversion. Right answer is D. Introversion and extroversion. Question number 45. Personality development is the outcome of A. Heredity, B. Diet, C. Environment, D. Heredity and environment. Right answer is D. Heredity and environment. 46. Which need is on the top of the Maslow hierarchy of needs? A. Self-actualization, B. Self-esteem, C. Belongings, D. Safety. Right answer is A. Self-actualization. Question 47. Skinner propounded A. Feedback theory of learning, B. Gestalt theory of learning, C. Stimulus response theory of learning, D. Operant conditioning theory of learning. Right answer is D. Operant conditioning theory of learning. Question number 48. The term group dynamics refer to A. Composition of group, B. Competitiveness for supremacy, C. Intra-group fighting, D. Energy and vitality of group. Right answer is A. Composition of group. Question 49. Which of the following is the correct sequence for the motivational process? A. Reinforcement need behavioral response, B. Behavioral response drive need, C. Drive behavioral response need, D. Need drive behavioral response. Right answer is D. Need drive behavioral response. Question 50. The need for achievement A is greatest for behaviors leading to financial and material success. B. Does not occur in primitive cultures. C. Is defined as a desire to meet internalized standards of excellence. D. Is greater in women than in men. Right answer is C. Is defined as a desire to meet internalized standards of excellence. Question number 51. Which is the low level of learning? A. Understanding, B. Rate learning, C. Application, D. Correlation. Right answer is B. Rate learning. 52. Success and failure in learning and activities are related to the A. Strength of the argue to achieve, B. Attention to progressively improve performance, C. Level of aspiration, D. Experience of satisfaction and annoyance. Right answer is A. Strength of urge to achieve. Question 53. An incentive essentially is A. Reward, B. Punishment, C. Drive, D. Condition. Right answer is A. Reward. Question 54. Which of the following motive to least likely to have a biological basis? A. Hunger, B. Achievement, C. Sex, D. Affiliation. Right answer is B. Achievement. Question 55. Which of the following has least to do with motivation system? A. Need, B. Drive, C. Habit, D. Motive. Right answer is C. Habit. Question 56. The inverted U hypothesis is the earliest model to explain the relationship between the athletic performance and A. Aggression, B. Stress, C. Anxiety / high arousal, D. Tension. Right answer is C. Anxiety / high arousal. Question number 57. Who among the following 12-16 PF questionnaire? A. H.J. Eisnick, B. Carl G. Jung, C. Raymond B. Kettle, D. Charles Spearman. Right answer is C. Raymond B. Kettle. Question 58. Sigmund Freud has come up with the notion that sexual adjustment has an impact on overall development of A. Personality, B. Physical health, C. Psychological health, D. Interpersonal relationship. Right answer is A. Personality. Question 59. The term reinforcement is roughly synonymous with the term A. Reward, B. Award, C. Strengthening, D. Gain. Right answer is C. Strengthening. Question number 60. Which of the following reflects the idea that we like people who like us? A. Similarity, B. Proximity, C. Reciprocity of feelings, D. Social exchange theory. Right answer is C. Reciprocity of feelings. Question number 61. Practice of and perfection in a matter or athletic skill is basically a function of A. Trial and error process, B. Insight process, C. Observation process, D. Conditioning process. Right answer is A. Trial and error process. Question 62. Which of the theories of motivation has biological orientation? A. Need theory, B. Instincts theory, C. Drive theory, D. Humanistic theory. Right answer is B. Instincts theory. Question number 63. Freud originated the idea that behavior could be dash motivated, meaning that individual can be completely unaware of the drives or reasons that are causing them to behave in certain ways. A. Consciously, B. Extrinsically, C. Unconsciously, D. Instinctively. Right answer is C. Unconsciously. Question 64. In execution of motor skills, trial and error is an important A. Philosophy, B. Paradigm, C. Principle, D. Theory. Right answer is D. Theory. Question 65. Who has given the statement, personality is that which permits a prediction of what a person will do in a given situation? A. Warner, B. R.B. Kettle, C. Eysenck, D. Allport. Right answer is B. R.B. Kettle. Question 66. If execution of a particular skill interferes with the learning of subsequent skill, it is known as A. Positive transfer, B. Negative transfer, C. Zero transfer, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Negative transfer. Question 67. Emotion is defined as a feeling, B. Fear of future, C. Distributed state of mind, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Distributed state of mind. Question 68. Sports physiology deals with A. Team cohesion, B. Functions of the body, C. Mental training, D. Motivation. Right answer is A. Team cohesion. Question 69. Who considers psychology as the science of activities of an individual in relation to his environment? A. Woodworth, B. William James, C. Watson, D. Robert Singer. Right answer is A. Woodworth. Question 70. Cognitive process is concerned with A. Knowing experience, B. Feeling experience, C. Striving experience, D. Thinking experience. Right answer is C. Striving experience. Question 71. From the viewpoint of sociology, which of the following feature is the most important one in the development of human personality? A. Money, B. Art, C. Literature, D. Culture. Right answer is D. Culture. 72. Sigmund Freud is known to be the father of A. Theory of psychoanalysis, B. Theory of motivation, C. Theory of connectionism, D. Theory of parallelism. Right answer is B. Theory of motivation. 73. From the viewpoint of psychology, sympathy is A. Instincts, B. An emotion, C. A general innate tendency, D. A reflex action. Right answer is B. An emotion. 74. The IQ of an average person is A. 90 to 80, B. 110 to 90, C. 110 to 120, D. 120 130. Right answer is D. 120 to 130. 75. Which of the following condition is a cause for the occurrence of plateau in learning? A. Fatigue, B. Monotony, C. Distraction, D. Physiological limit. Right answer is C. Distraction. Question 76. Which one of the following connected with the concept of motivation? A. Drive, B. Sympathy, C. Need, D. Motive. Right answer is B. Sympathy. 77. Definite, rapid and fixed pattern of behavior are called A. Instincts, B. Emotions, C. Reflexes, D. Habits. Right answer is B. Emotions. 78. Which of the following are considered as the social inheritance of man? A. Traditions, B. Habits, C. Conditional reflexes, D. Religious practice. Right answer is A. Traditions. 79. Psychology is taught to the student of physical education because A. It helps learning, B. It enhances performance, C. It motivates athletes, D. It is related to behavior. Right answer is D. It is related to behavior. Question 80. Which of the following is a law of learning? A. Law of readiness, B. Law of exercise, C. Law of effect, D. All the above. Right answer is D. Law all the above. Question 81. Mental development includes A. External internal organs, B. Reasoning and thinking, C. Ethical and moral, D. Emotional maturity. Right answer is B. Reasoning and thinking. 82. Through which of the following methods desirable channels are provided for the release of emotional energy? A. Inhibition, B. Sublimation, C. Catharsis, D. Repression. Right answer is C. Catharsis. 83. The rate of progress in learning slows down and reaches a limit behind which further improvement seems impossible. It is known as A. Plateau, B. Lose of interest, C. Boredom, D. Difficult stage. Right answer is A. Plateau. Question 84. The therapy of psychoanalysis was developed by A. Skinner, B. Sigmund Freud, C. Plato, D. Darwin. Right answer is B. Sigmund Freud. 85. Sports performance is the byproduct of A. Skill, B. Conditional ability, C. Total personality, D. Tactical ability. Right answer is C. Total personality. 86. The first metamorphosis falls between the ages of A. 70 to 10 years, B. 3 to 5 years, C. 11 to 14 years, D. 2 to 4 years. Right answer is A. 7 to 10 years. 87. Which is the most effective method for encouraging self-learning? A. Demonstration method, B. Lecture method, C. Observation method, D. Task method. Right answer is C. Observation method. 88. Which one is the simplest form of cognition? A. Conception, B. Perception, C. Sensation, D. Affection. Right answer is C. Sensation. 89. The functional division of spinal cord are A. Somatic motor, B. Somatic sensory, C. Visceral motor, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Somatic sensory. 90. The response defined as a result of training is called A. Conditioned stimulus, B. Unconditional reflex, C. Conditions reflect, D. Connection. Right answer is C. Conditions reflex. Question 91. Self-efficacy is a person's mental model of his, her ability and attitudes. B. A generalized evaluative attitude toward the self that influences both moods and behavior. C. The process by which a person comes to know or perceives the personal attributes. D. A set of beliefs that one can perform adequately in a particular situation. Right answer is D. A set of beliefs that one can perform adequately in a particular situation. 92. ERG theory was given by A. Maslow, D. Alderford, C. Jung, D. McClellan. Right answer is D. McClellan. 93. Alford theory categorizes need into three categories. The most important is A. Growth needs, B. Relatedness need, C. Existence need, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Existence need. 94. Which of the following is an instinct motivator? A. Pay, B. Promotions, C. Feedback, D. Interest or play. D is the right answer. Interest or play. 95. The new factor theory of motivation is given by A. Maslow, B. Jung, C. Edward, D. Harsberg. Right answer is D. Harsberg. 96. Reinforcement theory of motivation is given by A. Jung, B. Harsberg, C. Skinner, D. Maslow. Right answer is C. Skinner. 97. Achievement motivation relates to A. Need of the person, B. Knowledge of the person, C. Experience of the person, D. Aptitude of the person. Right answer is A. Need of the person. 98. Terminal feedback is the information provided to the learner. A. Before the activity, B. During the activity, C. After the activity, D. None of the above. Right answer is C, after the activity. 99. The initial step rise in the learning graph is an indication of quick progress and is technically known as A, end spurt, B, initial spurt, C, saturation point, D, none of the above. Right answer is initial spurt. Question number 100. What type of motivation is not applicable to young children? A, instinct motivation, B, extreme motivation, C, achievement motivation, D, none of the above. Right answer is A, instinct motivation. Question number 101. The trial and error theory of learning was propounded by A, Newton, B, Pavlov, C, Thorndike, D, Homer. Right answer is C, Thorndike. 102. In the childhood, individual's behavior is most influenced by A, community, B, school, C, peer group, D, family. Right answer is D, family. 103. The cause of frustration among sports person is A, result of on performance, B, normally due to mismatched level of aspiration and ability, C, result of good performance, D, natural outcome of competitive sports. Right answer is B, normally due to mismatched level of aspiration and ability. 104. Which is the description of the method of personality measurement? A, rating scale, B, interviews and observations, C, paper and pencil test, D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. 105. Trial and error learning is also known as A, conditioning, B, connectionism, C, insight, D, none of the above. Right answer is B, connectionism. 106. Exercise for the body and music for the soul. In which country the common adage was used? A, Italy, B, France, C, Greece, D, Germany. Right answer is C, Greece. 107. What aspects of movement refer to body awareness? A, to identify the parts of the body and the whole, B, to establish the relationship of the body parts, C, able to identify the body parts, D, all the above. Right answer is D, all the above. 108. Law of effect in learning was started by A, Pavlov, B, Thorndike, C, Skinner, D, Gastelum. Right answer is B, Thorndike. 109. What is the population that psychologists usually study? A, cats and dogs, B, monkeys, C, people, D, pigeons and rats. Right answer is D, pigeons and rats. 110. How is psychology defined today? A, the science of behavior and mental processes, B, the science of human behavior and mental processes, C, the science of mind, D, the study of motivation, emotions, personality, adjustment and abnormality. Right answer is A, the science of behavior and mental processes. 111. Who is regarded as the father of psychology? A, Sigmund Freud, B, Ivan Pavlov, C, John B. Watson, D. Wouldn't. Right answer is D. Wouldn't. 112. When catching a ball, your hand knows when to grasp because A. Your parasympathetic nervous system is active. B. Alpha waves are being generated by your brain. C. Participating muscles receive effect signals from the brain. D. Effect signals from inform your hand that the ball is about to make contact. Right answer is C. Participating muscles receive effort signals from the brain. 113. Body-mind relationship was first promulgated by A. Socrates, B. Plato, C. Hitler, D. Homer. Right answer is B. Plato. 114. At the highest level of arousal, A. The individual becomes emotional, fantasizes, and disorganized. B. Plato only biological needs can be met. C. Performance on the most complex task improves. D. Intellectual products exhibit great creativity. Right answer is A. The individual becomes emotional, fantasized, and disorganized. 115. Who said sound mind in a sound body? A. Descartes, B. Rousseau, C. Aristotle, D. Plato. Right answer is D. Plato. 116. The hereditary factor of learning are A. Height and weight, B. Physical structure, C. Body composition, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 117. Social institution is or A. The state, B. The school, C. The family, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 118. Autogenic training is a technique A. To bring about relaxation in body, B. To increase anxiety level, C. To counter avoidance syndrome, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. To bring about relaxation in body. Question number 119. The stress condition is A. Advantages to the performer, B. Detrimental to the performer, और जो ये E यहाँ ऑप्शन है दैट इज इसको C है, बोथ एडवांटेजेस एंड डिटरमेंटल एज पर द सिचुएशन. F की जगह D, हेल्पफुल इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. राइट आंसर इज C, बोथ advantages and detrimental as per the situation. Question number 120. Which law of learning states that things most often repeated are best retained? A. Law of readiness, B. Law of exercise, C. Law of effect, D. Law of recency. Right answer is law of exercise. Question 121. The phrase social aim in education is one which has been upheld in the A. North America, B. United Kingdom, C. Democratic countries, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 122. Natural motivation is known as A. Self-assertion, B. Self-equalization, C. Extrinsic, D. Intrinsic. Right answer is D. Intrinsic. 123. The state of being first creates a strong, almost unusual impression. This is A. Law of primacy, B. Law of intensity, C. Law of recency, D. Law of effect. Right answer is B. Law of intensity. 1 to 4. That the things most recently learned are best remembered refer to A. Law of intensity, B. Law of effect, C. Law of primacy, D. Law of recency. Right answer is D. Law of recency. 125. Which is the lowest level of learning? A. Rate learning, B. Understanding, C. Application, D. Correlation. Right answer is A. Rate learning. 126. Sports performance is the byproduct of A. Skill, B. Conditional ability, C. Total personality, D. Tactical ability. Right answer is C. Total personality. 127. Sociological thinking in education has its impact A. An on objective, B. Ends in education, C. Both A and B, D. None the above. Right answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 128. Exercise for the body and music for the soul. In which country the common adage was used? A. Italy, B. France, C. Greece, D. Germany. Right answer is C. Greece. 129. Emotional stability, anxiety, sadness, and build ability are attributes of which personality dimension? A. Extroversion, B. Agreeableness, C. Bogious, D. Openness. Right answer is C. Pogesis. Question number 130. Which of the following is not an attribute of agreeableness personality dimension? A. Altruism, B. Complexity, C. Trust, D. Modesty. Right answer is B. Complexity. 131. The leader who allows complete freedom in decision making and do not participate in the group activities is A. Autocratic, B. Democratic, C. Laissez-faire, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Laissez-faire. Question number 132. Outstanding athletes usually possess certain personality characteristics such as A. Neurotic, B. Submissiveness, C. Aggressiveness, D. Ambivalence. Right answer is C. Aggressiveness. 133. Maslow places needs at the bottom of hierarchy. A. Esteem, B. Belongingness, C. Safety, D. Physiological. Right answer is D. Physiological. 134. Motor skills are learned by A. Observation, B. Imitation, C. Memorization, D. Practice. Right answer is D. Practice. 135. Under conditions of the stress, the athlete's performance is likely to A. Be inferior to his normal, B. Be superior to his usual, C. Vary in quality related to his equal, D. Be of the same standard as his usual. Right answer is A. Be inferior to his normal. 136. Through which of the following method desirable channels are provided for the release of emotional energy? A. Inhibition, B. Sublimation, C. Catharsis, D. Repression. Right answer is C. Catharsis. Question number 137. Which of the following is an ensuing motivator? A. Pay, B. Promotion, C. Feedback, D. Interest or play. Right answer is D. Interest or play. Question number 138. Which is the most effective method for encouraging self-learning? A. Demonstration method, B. Lecture method, C. Observation method, D. Task method. Right answer is C. Observation method. 139. Which law of learning is also called the law of use and disuse? A. Law of exercise, B. Law of readiness, C. Law of effect, D. Law of intimacy. Right answer is A. Law of exercise. 140. The law of effect is also known as A. Law of use and disuse, B. Law of satisfaction, C. Law of recency, D. Law of frequency. Right answer is law of satisfaction. 141. Encouragement by spectator is A. Social incentive, B. Monetary incentive, C. Reward incentive, D. Social competitive incentive. Right answer is A. Social incentive. 142. Theory of condition was given by A. Aristotle, B. Pavlov, C. Gestalt, D. Thorndike. Right answer is D. Thorndike. 143. In view of all sociological principles, the curriculum should include the subject of A. Social studies, B. Physical education, C. Health, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 144. Human psychology is the study of A. Soul, B. Mind, C. Behavior, D. Relationship. Right answer is C. Behavior. 145. The self-adjustive mechanism those teachers are unwillingly encourages A. Fantasy, B. An attention-getting device, C. Regression, D. Daydreaming. Right answer is B. An attention-getting a device. 146. Achievement motivation is synonymous with A. Biofeedback theory, B. Feedback theory, C. Neurobiofeedback theory, D. None of these. Right answer is B. Feedback theory. 147. The first intelligence was developed by A. Binet Simon, B. Pavlov and Watson, C. Terman and Merrill, D. Maslow and McDougall. Right answer is A. Binet and Simon. 148. Introverts are interested in A. Themselves, B. Others, C. Themselves and others, D. None of these. Right answer is A. Themselves. 149. What does not result? Staleness. A. Loss of motivation, B. Desire to be on top, C. Anxiety, D. Pale skin. Right answer is desire to be on top. 150. Concentration is the narrowest path if A. Aggression, B. Arousal, C. Activation, D. Attention. And right answer of 150 question is D. Attention. So thank you very much for watching this 150 question of sports psychology and sociology.